All right, what's up, everyone? It is severe weather day, and that means that we're going to start to see the aftermaths and also the storm itself that's coming through the mid Atlantic. Before I get into this, I got to drink my vitamin water. All right, now, before we actually do get started, I need you guys to go and hit that like and subscribe button so that we can basically get as many people notified about this upcoming storm. So, we've had a crazy 2025 opening, and with all these blizzards in mind, there will be lots of closures that happen for schools and businesses. It will be hard to commute if your business does not close, and yeah, I'm sure a lot of people have told you about it. If they haven't, then please go online and look at your county, see what is going to be closed. If you're in the actual storm, then I recommend checking more often. So, we are going to see what exactly we're worried about here. And we're going to bring up some of the things that I was talking about yesterday that are starting to come to fruition with the storm. Here, currently, we are looking at the NOAA tracking website. So, we're going to look at a couple of things, but the first thing that we need to look at is here. Where is it? Okay. Yeah. So, our severe weather outlook is for the same states that had the severe weather last week, which is not good news if you live in that area. So, I myself live in this area, and I can tell you that there will be flash flooding, there will be isolated tornadoes, but there will not be wind shear, and there will not be available um, wind development. There's going to be gusts at the most for wind. So, there won't be all the factors coming into fruition, but there will be some that will still produce most likely tornadoes. So, if you do live in this area, once again, just make sure that you're being safe. And if we look here, let's see here. There we go. So this is our outlook on severe weather, and we have a level 3 risk of severe weather here, a level 2, a level 1, and probable severe weather outlook on the end, on the edges. So there could be thunderstorms in this area, and I would even extend this line down to Florida because this line is expanding a lot more rapidly. So feel free to look at that. And yeah, I'll be back in a couple. All right. So we have looked at this, and let's see here. Yeah, there is a 5% chance that there will be hail in this area, and yeah, I wouldn't be too worried about the hail. Um, Probably don't go outside in the night because that's when the storm is supposed to hit, and it will not be good if you're outside looking at a storm and some debris comes into play. So what we're really worried about here, mostly the rain. And we have rain. We had rain the last time a week ago, and that rain was so diverse in each area. 1 minute it might be raining, the next minute it might not, and the next minute it might, be worse than previously expected because our models are not very good. Um, let's see here. So here is our jet streams. You can obviously see where the storm will be hitting. Yep, Florida, you might even be included in this as well. So our jet streams are basically telling us where it's going to be. As you can see, this storm comes in, and this is the line that we're talking about that will affect like a lot of people in its area, and the outskirts here are where we could see more isolated tornadoes. So Florida, yeah, you probably will have frost, and then you might have rain. Places, and I'm just gonna go through each state. So yeah, we'll go here. Florida, you'll have wind gusts. Probably around 20 miles an hour. 20 miles an hour. It might exceed that, around 35. No more than that. And you could see frost and rain likely, and thunder. Sorry, and lightning likely for this storm. Georgia, you will see snow and possibly ice on the far north side. So, if you're not in that area, you'll probably experience the line of storms, which I said could be isolated tornadoes, rain, lightning, and wind gusts. Maybe around 35 miles an hour. Sorry, 20 miles an hour, exceeding 35 miles an hour, possibly. Alabama, you guys might have 40 miles an hour, and it will be rain only. Same thing for Mississippi; it might exceed 40 miles an hour. Louisiana, you guys probably will have a few isolated